So, do you have any data on the mortality rate among pregnant women? And I also want to know if a pregnant woman gets diagnosed with COVID and she is choosing to go for C-section surgery. I mean, how safe is it? How safe is that option for her?
Regarding your point about a pregnant woman going for C-section surgery, it is safe, and as as Love has shown the data from the AIM study, where even under general anesthesia and under local regional anesthesia, there has been no major issues during this surge. Although the recommendation in the earlier surge were to wait for at least up to 8 weeks, but from this, it is clearly emerging that surgery need not be delayed, and therefore cesarean section can be taken without any issues.
Any data on mortality rate among pregnant women?
Related to the COVID? Yeah.
Among pregnant
There are two registries ongoing. One is the PREG-COVID registry, and the two publications are already there. They are in the public domain as well. One was led by the National Institute of Research in Reproductive Health and Child Health from Bombay, and they had done mainly for Maharashtra, but they have now gradually expanded it to other parts of India, and that data is available, and we had presented it during the second surge and around that time, and that has been published now. So third surge, yes, we do not have data on pregnancy at the moment.
मैम, आपने प्रेग्नेंट महिलाओं के बारे में पूछा था, जैसे सर ने भी बताया, जैसे आज हमने प्रेजेंट भी किया है आपको एम्स की स्टडी, यह एक बहुत मुख्य अंश है, क्योंकि इससे पहले जो पुराने जो डिफरेंट वेरिएंट्स थे उसके टाइम पर जब स्टडी किया गया था तब यह पाया गया था कि आप अपने ऑपरेशन को, चाहे वो इलेक्टिव सर्जरी हो या रेगुलर सर्जरी हो, डिले करें तो शायद यूज़फुल रहेगा। लेकिन ये एक पॉजिटिव स्टडी अभी हमें इंडिकेट करती है कि अगर हमें नीड है तो हम अपनी सर्जरी करा सकते हैं, तो प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन के लिए भी एप्लीकेबल है और डिफरेंट सर्जरीज के लिए भी एप्लीकेबल है। तो ये एक सहूलियत, एक कॉन्फिडेंस हमारे उन लोगों को देती है जिनको मेडिकल इंटरवेंशन की ज़रूरत है, सर्जरी की ज़रूरत है, वह समय पर अपनी सर्जरी करा सकें।